Are you looking for ways to create amazing marketing content in no time at all? If you do, you reach the right place. Welcome to my series on the secrets to creating amazing marketing content using ChatGPT. In this series, I'm sharing with you hacks and tips on how to use ChatGPT, how to leverage AI to create amazing marketing content in no time at all. And today I'm going to share with you tip number 4. But before that, I want to welcome you to my channel. If you don't know me, my name is Ortel Green. I help entrepreneurs and business owners to create products their audience wants to buy. And I also prepared a gift for you. I prepared a guide with 3 pro hacks to unbeatable marketing. The link to this guide is in the description below, so you can download it now and start create amazing marketing content straight away. So let's jump straight into it. I want to share my screen and show you tip number 4. So if you don't have a ChatGPT account yet, it's easy to create one. You just need to go to chat.openai.com and create an account for you, and it's all free. I'll share the link to ChatGPT in the description below so you can grab it from there. So now that you have an account, all you need to do is give ChatGPT instruction, as I'll show you now. So let's say you want to create a frequently asked questions section in your website, or maybe you want to create an article with frequently asked questions about the services you provide. You want to do so in order to provide your audience more information on the value that you bring and for them to understand whether what you have to offer is suitable for their needs, and also to create confidence and trust in you and the services you provide. So let's say you want to create frequently asked question, but you're not sure where to start, what question to place there, what answers to put there. So ChatGPT can help you again with this task as well with no time at all. All you need to do is write to ChatGPT, create a list of 10 frequently asked questions about hiring the services of a life coach. Let's say you're a life coach. If you're not, then just change it with whatever service you provide, and provide answers for each one of them, considering the search engine results pages and rich result guidelines. So what we want to do is we also want to make it optimize it for SEO purposes. We want to optimize it for the search engine so you can appear higher, ranked higher in the search results. So let's press enter and see what happened. Let's see the magic. So ChatGPT is straight away starting to produce the response. And the first question is, what is a life coach and how can they help me? And this is a wonderful question to start with, to give a high-level overview of life coaching. And then how do I choose the right life coach for me? Another brilliant question to help understand how to assess whether a life coach is suitable for the person who is looking for it. And then as you can see, ChatGPT just keep writing quickly. It's actually, I can't read at the pace that it produce and populate the output. So I'll just wait for it to finish writing all the 10 frequently asked questions and their answer, and we'll just have a quick look at that response. So as you can see, ChatGPT started with a really good first question. What is a life coach and how can they help me? With an answer for the audience to understand what it is, what is the role of a life coach, and how do I choose the right life coach for me, which is another excellent question, because your client need to be certain you are the right one for them. How much does a life coach cost? That's another good question for them to understand how much it's going to cost them. How often should I meet with my life coach? What kind of results can I expect from working with a life coach? How do I know if I need a life coach? What happens in a typical life coaching session, which is another important question to provide to your audience with an answer. Is life coaching covered by insurance? Can I work with a life coach remotely? How long does it take to see results from life coaching? So as you can see, ChatGPT provided really great 10 frequently asked questions that now you can use in your website, or maybe in an article that you want to write and publish in different social medias. And as always, I recommend to go over ChatGPT response, read over it, and make tweaks if you need to do so. Just make sure that everything that ChatGPT has written aligns with what you want to say to your audience and your brand name, voice and tone. This was tip number 4. If you want to have more pro hacks straight away, you can download my guide, 3 pro hacks to unbeatable marketing. I placed the link to it in the description below. And I hope you'll join me for the rest of the tips. Until then, stay focused and never give up on your dreams.